English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Go out, meal, sorry. Go out. Go out is a verb. A1 learners usually know go out. To go out means to leave one place to go to another place. Here are some examples. I only go out at weekends. She goes out most evenings. Do you like to go out with your friends? Meal. Meal is a noun. A1 learners usually know meal. A meal is the food which a person eats. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are meals. Here are some examples. My meal is cold. She cooked a tasty meal. They like to have an evening meal at 6 p.m. Sorry. Sorry is an adjective. A1 learners usually know sorry. Sorry helps a person apologize for something that they have or have not done. Here are some examples. Sorry, I didn't see you. I'm sorry, what did you say? He was so sorry to miss your party. Now write some of your own sentences with go out, meal and sorry. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.